Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today's our topic is start writing Arabic. Before this, just for our personality development, the Quran asks us to be just and fair in our dealings. While dealing with other people, always ask yourself whether you have dealt fairly and justly or not. So just ask question for yourself. I'm asking about myself. Now we start the topic of writing Arabic. Congratulations, now you can read many sentences of Arabic language. This is the time to start writing in Arabic language. The Microsoft Arabic keyboard is as follows. So please in Google you will search it Microsoft Arabic keyboard and you will find it, then install it in your Windows. And right now even in mobile you can do it. So you have to just note that where is sheen, where is seen, where is za. You have to this the practice, memorize this. Then with shift, if you call shift, then appear in that way. So this la will appear in that way. So please, you have to give this some practice, and it will take not too much time. Just within 2-3 days you will be able to write Arabic in your keyboard. Keep your left hand fingers, because they appear in sheen, sa, ja, ba, like this. Also type la with your pointing finger. So this is the left hand. With the right hand you can click K, Kaf, Meen, Noon, Ta, like this. At your point finger you will be able to write in Alif in this way. Type Pa will little finger. At the little finger this appear, it will appeal in this Ta, in that way. So this is the keyword you will be able to use this one. Now start your typing with the middle line. Keep your fingers all the middle line and try to type the upper line. Keep your fingers at the middle line and try to type the lower line. Try it by yourself. You will take a mistakes, no problem, but inshallah within 1 or 2 or 3 days you will be easy for you to write Arabic in your keyboard. Once your fingers are familiar with each letter, start typing the letter in an alphabetical order. Start typing different Arabic words used in this book and then start typing passages. So I will suggest that first you will start with one word, then 2 words, 3 words. After giving them some practice, then start writing the passages like this. So inshallah your practice will be good, and as a result of that you will be able to easily start to write it. I suggest you to start with this in Quran, like start with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, which means name of Allah who is very Rahman, who love you, and all of your ignores mistakes, Allah ignore it. Ar-Rahim means this. So do this practice, and with this practice, inshallah, this will become easy for you after some time. So do this practice. So inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss practice yourself, but I will explain something there, and that you will have to do. Right now, whatever your questions, feel free to send to me in the email, and if you don't have downloaded the book, please download from these links. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.